everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to be an OHM video, and it's going to be about two super special charms. Now they're special because they are limited edition, so they only made a few. We're going to go over the Orchid Rain bead that was a collaboration with Martha from Marth Beads. She did a collaboration with OHM. So this charm is newly available as of June 21st at 5:55 p.m. at ohmtogether.com. It's the only place you can get it. We're going to review the bead and I'll show you how I styled it. And then I'm also going to talk about the bead Monkey Business, which was an exclusive to Perlin. So I bought it off Perlin, and this one they only made, I believe, 333 of these Monkey Business charms. The thing I really love about OHM is when they do like special limited editions, they truly are limited. You know which number in the whole charm that you got. So it really is limited, it really is special. Take a look at a close-up of these beads. Check out how I styled them. Before I do that, a lot of you have commented wanting to know what my James Avery bracelet looks like on. So a little close-up of this beautiful super dangly bracelet here. So happy with it, it's so exciting. And also the nails of the day is from Color Street. This is called the French Riviera nails, or as one of my friends likes to call them, Cinderella nails, because they are a beautiful light blue to silver ombre that goes kind of sideways. Love these. If you're interested in Color Street, check out my link below. Now I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let's take a look at these beads from OHM. Here is the close-up bead, Orchid Rain. Again, this was a bead that OHM did in collaboration with Martha. She's super huge on Instagram and she's a blogger. It's Marth Beads on Instagram. I'll insert her name so you can see it. But I was really excited to see that they did a collaboration with her. I had been following her since I really started getting into beads, and she really started showing me that there's a lot more brands out there and just really help appreciate the beauty. But this one was inspired by the Singapore orchids, and they're really pretty. I love, so if you see in the core, that's where you have that kind of fuchsia color. And then it is so hard for me to explain what the little lines are through it. So sometimes it looks kind of smoky to me, sometimes iridescent. It reminds me of, I don't know, almost has like a glow to it, I guess you can say. And then every so often you have like pretty big flakes of gold in there. And I just think it's a really cool interpretation of, she posted pictures on her blog for you to see, what inspired the look of this bead. And then I think it's really cool that OHM even partners with their fans to create something. So that is on my wish list to do. I think it'd be super awesome. So to kind of play around with a design, I did style it with inner piece and a salted pretzel. I think these two are one of my first OHM beads I ever got. They might have been my second. This goes really, really well together. And I do have it on an OHM snake chain bracelet. When you get the Orchid Rain charm, again, it's only available on ohmtogether.com. It is a special limited edition by OHM. You get this little booklet with it, I guess you can call it. It gives you the serial number for this specific charm. Again, they only made 555, so get yours while they are still available. Alright, so also OHM related, I did make a recent purchase on Perlin, and it's cute because they give you like a little candy, but they had an exclusive bead with OHM that when I saw it, I literally cracked up because I am on my phone 24/7, whether it's at work or I work for a cell phone company. I do a lot with YouTube and Instagram and then my business on my phone. So I am always, always, always on my phone doing some monkey business. So this bead I had to get, and we'll get a close-up look of this. All right, here he is. Here is Monkey Business, and he's just sitting there crisscross applesauce, holding his cell phone, looking at it, and I'm pretty sure this is what I look like. On the bottom you have his little feet. There's some detail to show that he's a fuzzy little guy. I kind of laughed when I saw his bottom, because even that has a little bit of detail on there. But this is Monkey Business. He's just adorable. When I got him, Presley got real upset that I didn't order her one too, because she loves him as well. And just to show how he'd look on a bracelet, I'm gonna add him to this bracelet. So here we have Monkey Business with the design that I just showed you. You can tell he's a little bit more oxidized than, let's say, the Pretzel, and I think he complements the shape of inner piece as well. But here's the little design of what this would look like. He's so cute. I'm so excited that I got him. Right there you have it. There is this close-up look of this OHM bracelet. I'm super excited. I have quite a few other OHM charms, but as I was designing with Orchid Rain, I really wanted to limit what was on this bracelet so that it didn't take away from this kind of being the focal point. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you bought the Orchid Rain bead, if you've checked out Perlin and bought Monkey Business, or just anything else from Perlin. I'd heard about them, but I'd never ordered from them. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of these beads. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time.
Okay, here's the Pretzel Charm. It's Mom's. So, I think this semen is for a second. Here are my nails. Do you like them? What did they say?
I'm sure they're gonna say it's beautiful, babe. Who does this Pretzel Charm, what does that represent?
Me, and it's supposed to be Mom's, but is it mine or yours?
It's mine.
It's Mom's.